Hey, what's up? Welcome to DGen Ed. That's degenerative education, meaning none of this is financial advice. Just me having fun looking at charts like the chart behind me, which is of Luminar Technologies, ticker symbol LAZR. And so here I am recording this on Wednesday, September 18th during market hours, and Luminar is currently trading around 78 cents, being down on the day about 3.5%. And so, yeah, I wanted to follow up on the chart because it did look like this level, 74 cents, which is the 1618 from this retracement here, has held up as support. We did get a pretty nice bounce from there, going up about 30% before getting rejected yesterday on the 17th, hitting a high of $1.01 before pulling back. And, so it was a pretty devastating drop yesterday, coming down almost 13%. But one thing I wanted to go over that stood out to me when I was looking at the chart is that it does look like we got rejected from this purple downtrend. So I do think that, it's very good to be paying attention to those levels. And also, I think this is a great example of why it's good to not chase. Because, 74 cents was a pretty good dip buy with the low at 72.53. But now that we are retracing, maybe we come down below 74 cents like we did here, and maybe we come down and make a new all-time low. For me, I think 69 cents is a good, fun dip buying level, just because, I think it's funny. But beyond that, I think this could be coming down to 50 cents. So good to be exercising caution. But with the FOMC meeting happening today after the close, there could be some volatility, whether that's to the upside or the downside. So good to also be bracing for that. But yeah, I just think this is a really nice example of why it's good to wait for technical levels like 74 cents and then following rallies to trim and or take profits, on the way up after this 30% rally, and then brace for some downside, as it does look like that is what we are going to be seeing. So I would say wait for 74 cents to be tested again, wait for 69 cents, just in case we get lower, or, maybe 72.50 if we do retest that again. And then beyond that, 50 cents to the downside, I could see that happening. But, I could also see a rally following the OMC, price getting above $1 a share, breaking above this purple downtrend. And so I just wanted to go over where that purple downtrend originates from. I believe I have gone over it in prior videos, as that was the low from November 28th of 2023. And then I also have the other pivot low being the low from December 11th. Did get a number of bounces, tests of that level as support or approximate support, broke below it, then held up as support over here, right around that level before we broke below it. And actually, there is this gap to the upside at $1.40.5. That was the closing price on August 6th of this year. And so there is that gap to the upside. I suspect that will be major resistance if we are able to break above this purple downtrend. But for the time being, it's pretty crazy that we got rejected, right from that level. Just let's see. It looks like the high being 101. It looks like an intersection of that level would have been right around 102. So, basically spot on there, rejection. And from that high, it looks like we're currently trading down about 22%. So giving back most of those gains from the rally that we've recently seen. So, like I said, good to be exercising caution. But one level that I didn't mention was this prior low that was hit on August 12th, that being at 79.09 cents. Maybe, with price being right around that level now, maybe that is going to be acting as support. We start to form a higher low, and then we take out $1 a share and close above it after the FOMC. I could definitely see that happening, but I also think, it's good to not be chasing. And actually, with that being said, following this pullback, maybe this is a good time to be adding in the range from 79 down to 74, down to 72.5, then 69. And if we cross that, 50 cents, so this is the time to be adding, not chasing as it's been rallying up, because I'm sure there's some bag holders right around $1 a share. And so, good to be exercising caution with that. But I do think that we will be seeing some further downside. So brace for it and take advantage of it if you want, or just wait for, their next rally to start trimming if you want, or just holding for the long term. You do you, but those are just my thoughts. If you found them helpful, make sure you like the video, share your thoughts in the comments down below, and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care, you guys.